Well, good afternoon and welcome to Coin Man Part 2. So this is basically the first stage of cleaning your coin. I've got a few examples here of what we're going to do. So I've got a few here which I'll show you later of the results of what I'm going to do here. So first, the thing we actually have to do is mix up the solution with the vinegar and the salt. Okay, so what we need to do is put plenty of vinegar in the pot. Sorry about the shaking. Okay, we then need to add the salt. What it basically does, it dilutes a little bit of the vinegar. Now make sure that you stir in the salt. So make sure all the granules have gone. Okay, that's now ready. What we now do is pop in the coins. Okay, one by one. So the vinegar and the salt get over both sides of the coin. So we've got quite a few we got going on here today, just to show you some examples. Old 10p pieces, 50p pieces. There's all sorts here. Now, literally make sure that they're all submersed within the solution. Still got a few more to put in. There's farthings, there's shillings, there's all sorts going in this mix, just to show you an example. Now, what I basically do with these is leave these actually in here for about half an hour. And then you will actually see the change in the copper and the metal. Make sure you don't obviously get the vinegar around. Make sure you wipe it off with a dry cloth. Okay, so we leave that solution now, as I said, in there for quite some time. You can actually see the colour of the vinegar is now changing. So that is now removing the dirt, the grime, and the stage one of all the horrible mess that's on here. What I will do, I'll come back for stage 3 in a couple of hours and show you the results. Thank you for watching. Coin Man UK.